And today, the governor confirmed the Finger Lakes region is, in fact, #1 in the state for both hospitalizations and positivity rate. Kayla Green joining us live outside our studio tonight. Kayla, what's the latest on all this?
Well, Maureen, Governor Cuomo says you can't argue with the numbers, which shows us that both hospitalizations and deaths are increasing across the state. He says we have to change the path or we could be headed towards a shutdown. Now, as you said, the Finger Lakes region has the highest positivity rate in the state with 8.09%. We also have the highest hospitalization rate with 0.06%. He says at the rate New York State is going now, in just a month, we could see 11,000 people in hospitals and another 3,500 dead. Cuomo says a continued increase in hospitalizations could overwhelm some regions if things don't change by January. He specifically mentioned this being a problem in Monroe County. He says increasing hospital capacity is a priority right now. Hospitals have already increased by 25% and then had a choice of another 25% increase or reducing elective surgeries. Cuomo says there was an issue in the spring of not balancing patient load between hospitals and says systems need to work together to prevent this from happening again. Governor Cuomo also says no regions are in the red zone yet, which would cause a full shutdown. Red zone will happen if an area sees an increase in cases and hospitalizations, and numbers show it would reach 90% hospital capacity in 3 weeks.
What you should worry about is shutdown. Because if we do not change the trajectory, we could very well be headed to shutdown. And shutdown is something to worry about. That is really something to worry about. Because all these businesses close. We go back to where we were. All non-essential businesses close. They go to zero.
He also says 74% of spread is from household gatherings, which is much higher than any other cause of spread. And the governor reminds people again not to gather for the holidays. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.